Hi guys, welcome back to Green Plant Guide. What's going on house plants? Yes, it's time of repot. Are you ready to repot some of your house plants? It's a great time to share my potting mix recipe and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Let's go. Potting mix are not type of soil. They are soil additive for better soil mix. Where the native soil is heavy or sticky, potting mix is recommended. It creates air channel and allows the soil mix to breathe. Where soil is sandy, potting mix allows the soil to hold the water and is needed for plant growth. So potting mix helps plants in moisture and drainage. Making potting mix is something like cooking. In this video, I'm going to show you how to have a soft potting mix, not compacted. With soft potting mix, the root can grow easy and fast. I use some ingredients for potting mix for ice plant. Coco coir is a good thing for moisture retention and to prevent compacted soil mix. Some plants such as tropical plants like moist soil not wet for a long time because this will lead to root rot. So, coco coir is a good thing for this kind of plants. When drainage becomes really important, I have been using perlite as a miracle ingredient. Perlite isn't a fertilizer, it keeps the soil structure loose and light. In the gardening world, perlite is used to improve soil structure by providing drainage for strong and healthy plant growth. Perlite is used for seed germination to keep the soil without risk of compaction over time. Orchid mix. This is really great because it makes the soil a little bit more chunky, it gives the drainage and also prevent compacted. You can combine equal parts of perlite, orchid mix, and coco coir for a clean basic potting mix that supports healthy development and reduces the jumping of disease, even for seed germination. Good luck in the garden and enjoy gardening.